Hey Robert, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Chris on the phone and he told me that you were going to be the one who'd be most interested in watching this. So I'm going to keep this video really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your homepage, which looks pretty good. I like the slideshow up at the top. However, it is very short. There's not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. You guys actually have 386 words at the moment, so we would definitely want to add some more content on here. And we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send its bots out and they are going to crawl through your site and they are going to determine whether or not the content on it will help Google users find the information or the services that they're looking for. So we definitely want to have an appropriate amount of content, and in addition to that, we want to make sure that there is an appropriate amount of high volume relevant keywords in there so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so before I hop onto Google, I also just noticed that your site is not secure. So it will be very hard for your site to be ranked if you do not have an SSL certificate, which is what you would need in order to make your site secure. This should be a pretty easy fix. You can usually just reach out to whoever hosts your website and they can take care of that for you. And so over here, now I am on Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation, Richmond, VA. This is a very good keyword. It brings in over 150 searches per month. So if you were to just convert a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar here, up at the top, is typically where we would see some Google ads. There are not any popping up right now, but Google ads are a very good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if you don't know what you're doing, you can definitely waste a lot of money on them. But if you do, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so underneath that, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is great, gets you right at the top of the page, and it's becoming more and more relevant as people search for things off their phones more and more. And in order to make it in one of these top 3 spots to get on the top of the first page, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on local directories online. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages or Yext. Those are all good examples of high powered, highly trusted, and frequently used directories. And so you want to be on as many of those as you can, and definitely more than these 3 businesses are right here. And so we can scroll down, and here I have made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be the main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these search results right here. And so here we can take a quick look at the #1 company page that pops up for this keyword. And so although their website is not as pretty as yours is, we can see that they have quite a bit more content. So they actually only have 887 words. So it is more than what you have right now, but they technically don't even have enough for the bare minimum of Google standards. So it would be really easy to beat them out content wise. However, the main way you're actually going to get up here is through backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered and relevant websites. So, for example, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest trying this one out. It is a little pricey. It costs around $400 a month for me to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. So right here, I can see that the competitor we were just looking at has 49 backlinks from 18 different domains and 56 keywords that they're ranking for organically right now. So I just want to take a look and see which keywords those are. So as you can see, these are pretty good keywords. Here it'll list the keywords, and we can see that these are location specific and have a lot of buyer's intent. And over here we can see how many people are searching for that keyword every month. So the keyword that we were just looking up actually has 250 people searching for it per month. So that's quite a lot. And here we can see what position they hold for that keyword on Google and how much traffic they get from that keyword. And so we can go through here and pick the best keywords and we can incorporate those into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I did with the keywords with the backlinks. And so we can actually go through and see which backlinks they have. We want to go for the ones that have a high DR domain rating. We can go through and pick the best ones to try and snag for your site. And so also, they do not have very many backlinks, but they have pretty good quality backlinks. They have a decently high domain rating. They don't have very many, but this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide. And I know that you guys provide a lot of other services. And so we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so, see over here, it actually says that you guys have more backlinks from more referring domains right now, but you are not ranking as well as they are. So that means we definitely want to add more content, definitely make your website secure. And we also want to check into the quality of backlinks you have because some backlinks can actually end up hurting your site if they're spammy or just not relevant at all. And so, to kind of recap what we talked about again, is just number one, getting that keyword rich content and getting the right amount of it. Number two is getting more citations to get you ranked on the Google Map Pack. And then number three, just checking on your backlinks and adding more high powered relevant backlinks to the list. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.